In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira issue in Atlassian. If you've ever tried to log a bug, capture a requirement, or add a new user story and ended up clicking through the wrong fields or the wrong board, you know how quickly Jira can feel overwhelming. The good news is that creating a clean, traceable ticket is actually very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the issue creation window, choose the right project and issue type, fill in the most important details clearly, and then review everything before submitting it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site. If needed, sign in through the official Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're on your main Jira dashboard, look up to the top of the screen for the global navigation bar. This is where the main creation tools are always available, no matter which project you're currently viewing. Next, click the Create button in the top navigation area. As soon as you do that, Jira opens the issue creation window. This pop-up is where all the key information for your new ticket will be entered. So take a second to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. At the top of the window, you'll see two important drop-downs. First, open the project field and select the project where this issue belongs. Choosing the correct project matters because it determines where the ticket will live and which team will see it. Right below that, open the issue type field and choose the option that best matches your work. Use bug for a software defect, story for a new requirement, and task or subtask for regular implementation work. After that, move to the summary field and enter a short, specific title. Keep it concise and descriptive so your team can understand the issue at a glance. Then click into the description box and add the supporting details. This is the best place to write out the steps to reproduce a bug, the actual result, and the expected behavior. If you're writing a story or task instead, use the description to give enough context for someone else to pick it up confidently. If you prefer working quickly from the keyboard, there's also a shortcut. From your main Jira workspace, make sure you're not typing inside another field, then press the C key. That opens the same issue creation window without using your mouse. Before you submit, scroll through the remaining options and fill in any useful extras like priority, assignee, or sprint. Once everything looks correct, click the blue Create button in the bottom right corner. Jira will save the issue and close the window. Finally, go back to your project board and confirm that your new card appears correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.